Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum. This is Sam of Al Adil, but you can call me Anna because it's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on what meaning insult. That means Ophaman. This girl. That means Oshuman. That means উপহাস করা। Shame, that means লজ্জা অথবা অপমান। Bully, that means জুলুম করা। Harass, that means হয়রানি করা। Slander, that means কুৎসা রটানো। Bully, that means জুলুমবাজি। Defame, that means মানহানি করা। Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Next time I'll be back with another fantastic presentation. Bye bye.